Hi, here's the chart you're gonna use for the entire song. So you will have the A sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. Then the F minor composed of the C, the F, and the G sharp, and the bass note of F. Then the F sharp major composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, and the bass note of F sharp. And eventually, the D sharp minor composed of the D sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. And now here's how to play these chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, F minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So every chord played the same way. Get up on the floor, dancing all night long. Get up on the floor, dancing till the break of dawn. And you repeat, dancing till the break of dawn. Get up on the floor, dancing till the break of dawn. Get up on the floor, dancing. And you'll be able to continue with this same chart. Dancing in the moonlight, gazing at the stars so bright, holding you until the sunrise, sleeping until the midnight. And you repeat this chart in a loop and you will be able to play this entire song. I wish you good luck for this one and I will see you in the next one.